not my first time to the Dublin IP and R&D Summit. This year I think it's been fantastic. It is probably the only annual IP event of consequence in Ireland. It's great to get all the thought leaders in Ireland in a room, sharing their thoughts, not just the legal profession, but also the people who are actually boots on the ground.
I fundamentally believe that the unitary patent system and the corresponding patent court will be a game changer for Irish businesses.
At a conference such as this one, you're meeting people with 10, 20, 30 years more experience than you do. By coming to a conference like this, you can really shorten your learning curve.
I was moderating a panel today, and thanks to all our panellists, we were speaking on the topic of the unitary patent and the unified patent court system, and we had highlighted the relevance of the timing of the referendum that needs to be held in Ireland, and we had a very vocal call to action this afternoon also in the Minister Richmond's keynote address. So overall, we've had a fantastic day of huge learnings for many of the companies that have been here.
It was great as well to see then the diversity of, I think, support services that are around to help move that IP forward, bring it into the market.